In this tutorial, we'll cover the RTK setup and processing workflow for the SkylandX MetaCam, helping you achieve better absolute accuracy on outdoor scans. This guide is specifically for MetaCam Go Android users. If you're using iOS, please check out our dedicated tutorial. First, open the MetaCam Go app, connect to your scanner, and tap Start. Tap the gear icon in the top right, select RTK, and toggle it on. Tap Test Network. Once it reads OK, tap Edit Account. Enter your account details manually. Tap here to select from available mount points, or tap the History button to quickly load a previously used account. Once everything is set, hit Confirm. Wait a few seconds for the RTK status to show fixed, and you're ready to scan. For a better initialization, start in an open area with more than 30 satellites. While scanning, keep an eye on the status bar and try to maintain that fixed status. You can also use the Operation Reminder feature to get a quick alert if the RTK status changes. After you finish scanning, check your job report. The higher your fixed solution ratio, the better your final accuracy will be. Back in the office, import your data into MetaCam Studio. When setting up a new task, check the RTK box under Optimizer. If you need to transform your coordinates, click RTK Registration and simply enter your target coordinate system or EPSG code. Hit Confirm to begin processing. Once finished, click Result. Inside the Geo folder, you'll find the geo-referenced point cloud data.